What's good, YouTube family? What's happening? It's your man Danny signing in for the latest edition of Forex Trading with Danny on this March 30th, 2022. Hope everybody doing well out there, holding it down. Hope everybody had a great day or is having a great night. Wherever you might be viewing or come across this video at, whatever time zone. Hope everything's going well with you. Hope you're staying safe and healthy in these crazy times. Back at you to take a look at the charts, see what's going on, see what we can anticipate and what we could capitalize on as far as opportunity to getting into potential trades and make some profits in this Forex market. And definitely a great investing vehicle, something that I'm passionate about and get excited about. And I really could talk about Forex for hours at a time, on days on out, you know what I mean? It's just something that I've been doing for some time now, and I'm just truly passionate about it. And I truly desire to, eventually be a professional trader at one point or another, whenever God's will is done. But yeah, man, still trying to get over this little sickness. You might be able to hear it a little bit. It's kind of in my nose now, kind of stoppage in my nose, so you might be hearing it through my speech. But please bear with me. But if anybody interested in learning more about Forex, I'm definitely down for coaching. You can hit me up. My information is scrolling at the bottom. My email address there. Hit me up, holler at me. You can follow me on Instagram. DM me. Let me know you're interested. Definitely want to encourage you to subscribe to the the YouTube channel. If you're watching the video, leave a comment with feedback. Like the video, share it, and yeah. Definitely down to help anybody learn more about this great industry to get involved in. But without further ado, we're going to take a look at the chart, see what's going on. So let's get it going. Here we go. All right. So yesterday I was in a trade. I had gotten to it. Let's see, when was that? I had gotten into it on Friday and had been riding it out. At its heights, I probably saw maybe about 1200 pips. But yesterday, I was in profit well enough where I put my stop loss in profit, and I was just kind of letting it ride because it had made this little spike up, and then it came back down, and it was around this area when we last spoke. But after we spoke, what I did was I put my stop loss into further profit, and it went backwards on me. Basically, it made a rally up and hit my stop loss. So I ended up getting out with about 50 pips, which is not a bad trade. I ended in profit. That's a good trade. So, which brings us to what's going on right now. So, right now it could do a couple, if not a few things. In order for me to take action on it, maybe as soon as anytime over the early morning hours, or in the morning, or tomorrow afternoon or whatnot, I would need to see the candle get back under all these moving averages and close, because then I would be trying to get back into another sell and look to take it back down. The only thing about that is it might not make a strong move. If it does try to make another down move, though it could surprise me. The reason why I say that is because in previous down movements, it had went down deeper and deeper and deeper, though in this previous little downtrend here, it didn't get that low. So which is leading me to think that most likely what's probably going to be more realistic is that it's going to continue to rally up. And at that point, if it does continue to rally up, I'm going to be looking to wait for it to get above this moving average here. If it gets above this moving average here and closes, then I will be looking to get into a buy situation. So those are basically the two signals that I'm looking for. It could go down, though. If it go down, I don't think it's gonna go much further than, like, if it were to come back down, I probably would only try to take it back down to like here. I think that's realistic. But with it making a shorter low, or well, a higher low, it's leading me to think that the market is about to change. And even if you look at the candle currently, there's some support that it is hit, and it's kind of resisting coming down, like it's creating that wick right there. So say for instance, if this particular candle closes above this moving average here, then it'll be above that one, and then it could definitely rally up. But another thing that can happen too, if it does rally up and it doesn't get above this moving average, it could then try to make another move back down, and then that one could possibly be a little bit more stronger than if it tried to make a move down now, because it would have kind of let the what I call the bulls run. It would have let the bulls run and kind of gain some momentum to swing the market back down. So, either way it goes, I'll be ready for it, God willing. I'm just looking forward to the next opportunity to get back in the market. But until then, I'm just kind of, figuratively sitting on my hands and just being patient, not being anxious, just staying cool, calm, and letting the market come to me, So that's what's going on there, and we'll see how it goes. So, yeah, that's been the latest edition of Forex Trading with Danny. Again, if anybody's interested in learning more about Forex, definitely hit me up. Again, my contact information scrolling at the bottom. But I didn't get the disclaimer out. Though Forex could be a great investing opportunity for you, there is no investment opportunity out there that is 100% sure. So, investing anything, getting into investments does come with a risk of loss. So I just have to give this disclaimer. And past performances, do not necessarily indicate any future results. So you must do your due diligence. So that's what I do. Like when I'm kind of going over my analysis, what I'm anticipating, what I'm guessing, or what I'm hopeful for even. That's what I'm doing. I'm doing my due diligence. I'm looking at the charts. I'm trying to anticipate what might be happening, so that when it makes a move that I'm anticipating, I'm going to take action. And I'm not going to be scared of, I'm not going to have no fear of loss. I'm just going to take action. So, and then I just kind of rely on my analysis and know that, again, there's no 100% trading strategy or nothing like that, but not to risk too much. You got to have proper risk management, things like that. So, but yeah, hope everybody, might have enjoyed this and might have picked up on something on, this episode. But, we'll see where we're at tomorrow. Until then, I hope everybody has a great, whether no matter where you are, a great evening, morning, afternoon, brunch, wherever, depending on where you might be at. And, if you check this out, man, I hope y'all having a good one. Until next time, y'all take care of yourselves. Stay healthy. Peace out.